Welcome back. Now, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to open up an audio transcript into Microsoft Word. Now, we're going to grab that transcript from our hard drive and open it up in our Word application. Once we have the document open, we're going to go to Copilot. So Copilot does understand what the document is about. So what we want to do is we want to now rewrite the document, even though it's a transcript, so that it makes sense. So we're going to highlight the entire first page. And what we want Copilot to do is we want Copilot to now rewrite this information. And so Copilot is going to take a shot at rewriting the document. And we're going to replace the entire first page with the page that Copilot has written. So what you will notice is that Copilot did clean up some of the language which sounded much like a transcript and gave it a more sensible feel. What we could now do is we could take this paragraph and we could write it over formally. We're going to undertake that process in the next video and test the limits of Copilot. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.